Good morning and welcome back up to our property up here in southern Utah. Man, it doesn't even feel like December. I mean, I'm wearing a jacket. It's a little chilly, but it's going to be like high 40s today. So it's beautiful. Sun's out and it looks like it's going to be a nice day. Anyway, today we got a few things going on. I'm going to go up to the deck. I got my pressure washer already up there. I'm going to be pressure washing the deck just to get it ready for the stain and seal. And we're going to let it dry for a day and a half, 2 days before we stain and seal it. And then my wife is in the trailer that we lived in for about 2 years. She's cleaning it up, and that thing today, fingers crossed, if everything goes normal, should be going down the mountain into town, be going up on RV share. So if you guys are in the area of southern Utah and need a trailer and can pull a fifth wheel, it's a nice trailer, come rent it and we'll probably meet you. I think I'm gonna go get everything ready to do the pressure washing and then get that going. It's not gonna take very long, but I just need to start drying because it is cold, so it's not gonna dry as fast if it was in the summer. So
I can see my breath.
it's cold in here?
Oh my gosh, it's freaking freezing and my hands are frozen because I keep having to get them wet. And I don't know what kid decided to put a sticker on the ground, but they're in a lot of trouble.
Not our kids.
Right.
This thing's looking good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks clean. I mean, there's just a little bit of dirt on the ground, but other than that, it looks good.
I haven't got there yet. You're walking where I just mopped, by the way.
I apologize. I'll get out of here. I just wanted to come see what you're doing.
You're in trouble. Look, your booty.
Got this whole thing pressure washed. There was a ton of mud and all this stuff right here because that's the first part that we did. And it took a little while, and then I'm a little worried because it's all shaded over here. It only gets sun in the morning, so it's gonna get shade for the rest of the day and all night. So I'm hoping it doesn't turn into like a sheet of ice. This side is, I mean, pretty much dry. A little bit over there where it's a little shaded, it's a little wet still, but hopefully this dries up quick. Anyway, I'm excited to get this thing sealed because it looks wet right now and it looks really good. I like the way it is. Hopefully it looks something like this once it's done. Let's go downstairs and check on the wife and see what's going on with this trailer because I'm ready to get this thing down the mountain. Well, how's the trailer looking, babe?
Everything's figured out. I keep trying to like clean that bottom of the door and it's like
Never stops.
stops. I'm just like, I have to stop at some point. Like, you can't get it
I'm with you.
completely done.
And then it's just weird things like we moved out, a kitchen sink faucet just broke, weird. The toilet lever just broke, so I gotta fix that. That's not a big deal. We're gonna get this thing down the mountain here hopefully soon. It's exciting, right? Like you just like, this is where it all started and now we're like, now we're taking it down.
But at the same time, there's like this sense of like, I don't ever want to go back in this trailer again.
Yeah, I'm with you.
There's like this, like it took me forever to clean it just because I didn't want to go back into it.
Yeah.
I was so
I don't even, every time I go in it, I'm just like, oh, how did we live in here for 2 years?
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, we got a few more things to button up here and then we're gonna be probably headed down the mountain, I think, I hope.
This door frame is, and then a little bit more on these stairs and I'm done.
Yes. Let's go. Charlie's got new friends to hang out with. He's being a good boy so far. Everyone's hanging out with him. They're just running around, roaming everything. Something new on the homestead. We've been letting the chickens just run around outside. If you're new to our channel or don't really know, or just kind of like a recap, we bought these chickens as meat birds. We butchered maybe half a dozen of them. What happened was all of our hens that we bought for laying died. They got, I don't know, a predator got them or whatever. So then these meat birds turned into our hens. They've been laying a lot. They've been laying quite a bit, but they started molting and now they haven't really been laying anything. So I don't really know what to do with them. So we just kind of been letting them run around and see what happens, I guess.
This is gonna be our last slide to go in. That was Nick and I's bedroom. Had so many good times in this trailer. And we have packed some people up in here. We've basically thrown parties inside of the trailer and it was totally fine. This trailer is an amazing trailer. We are very, very grateful for this trailer and everything that we've accomplished in it, outside it.
That looks so weird.
I'm really relieved to see it go, and I'm also really sad to see it go. I hope that people can make a lot of memories on it, and we tried to leave a really good vibe in there. So. All the things you have to sit and think about, like I need to strap this down, pull this plug, close off the septic, shut the power off, all the things that you do to close out the trailer. You kind of forget about them when you're not doing them all the time. Right, babe, or no?
Yeah. I just gotta walk around and make sure I get everything put up here.
You ready to pull this thing down?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
It looks so much different up here.
It will. It looks so different. You know what I'm excited for though? This trailer may be going down the mountain, but all of our friends are gonna come up now and we can set them up. Right here. Set your trailers up, come camp out with us, go riding, whatever. It's gonna be a good time.
Ready?
Yep. This trailer is so long, I forgot how long it is. When it's attached and you have to drive it and maneuver it.
When I have to do that, you mean?
Yeah, when you have to do that.
44 feet long.
I was watching you
Look,
taking really wide turns and everything.
Just got back up to the property after dropping the trailer off in town, and I wanted to share the sponsor of today's video, AnkerMake. Now, when AnkerMake reached out to us, I was a little intimidated. We opened the box, put a few things together, and I was ready to print. I've already printed a Christmas tree ornament. My kids wanted this little guy, Star Wars guy, and Mario box. We've been using the 3D printer for was to make Christmas ornaments and kind of decorate our tree the way we want to. So to show you how easy it is to do, check this out right here. I have a snowflake brought up, and you can kind of see a 3D image of it. This is the AnkerMake software right here that I have, and it's as easy as pushing start right now. So we're gonna start the process. Print. There it goes. So now this thing is just gonna take off. I'm kind of a techie type person and like anything to do with electronics. So I've always looked at 3D printers, but kind of been a little bit intimidated. After getting this one, I realized that it wasn't as hard as I thought. AnkerMake has made it really easy, and this is a very beginner friendly 3D printer. You guys just saw me, I used the computer to start this whole printing process, but also they have an app, and on the app it shows everything that you can see on the computer pretty much, and also you can explore other things that they have already created for you to print and have fun with, and you can watch the status of the printing stuff that you already have going on right now. Well, we just got done printing the snowflake. As you can see, it's green. That is the color filament that we have, but you can get it in white, red, black, pink. If you guys have someone on your Christmas list that needs a gift that would love this 3D printer, click the link in our description. Go check them out. We wanted to thank AnkerMake for sponsoring today's video, and now we'll see you guys in the morning. Another day up here. It's nice out, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful out today. I'm excited to paint the deck because it's just gonna be nice and warm and comfortable.
Today's the day that we're gonna stain and seal the deck. We got everything pressure washed, it's all dry. Everything's off the deck except for the smoker, which we're about to move.
And the kitties, which we have to kind of let so that they don't walk around on it.
Yeah, we're gonna put the animals away because this thing has to dry for, it says 24 to 48 hours. lets to like walk on, but I feel like these dogs and cats aren't that big, so it shouldn't be a big deal. We'll have to stay off it, which isn't hard. The kids are not here. They're in Vegas hanging out, so we don't have to worry about them running around on it.
They get to have holiday break with their cousins.
Yeah.
Which they're super excited about.
Yeah. So perfect timing for us to stay in it. It's like almost 50 degrees. There's no better day right now, or we're not gonna get a better day. But I think we have to put the pets away first, yeah?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, all right. Let's get to work.
Come on, you want some food? Come on, Lucy. Come on, Roxy. Come on, Chili. Come on, let's go night.
You look like a cat lady, babe.
Look at them all right here.
Holy cow.
You do what you gotta do in DIY.
When you don't have a 9-inch roller, you make one.
Do you want me to hold the end of it?
No.
Ooh. Yeah. I like these little chickies hanging out. They're so cute. Shake up back, Ricky Bobby style.
So shake weight. 5,000. Oh. So we're not sponsored or anything, but we got the Ready Seal, stain and seal. Read good reviews about it, so that's what we're gonna use. Anyway, so we got some like these chemical sprayers. We're gonna try to make it quick and painless. We're just gonna dump this is like a 2-gallon. This is a 5-gallon, so you do the math. A couple times, but we have 2 of these, and this thing does about 800 square feet, and this is, I think this deck is 900 square feet, so we have plenty. And then we have a roller and a brush that we're going to be using to even it out if we need to, if the sprayer doesn't make it look very even. And then start the process and take advantage of this nice day. Yeah, the color we're doing, it's golden pine, which pretty much looks the same as what we have on here. It might make it look a little wet though, or I don't know. We like this colors.
We're gonna find out. You guys get to find out along with us.
We didn't get the little bottle and see what it looked like. I thought it was just sealer. I didn't know it was golden pine, and I thought it was just like the clear. I was expecting it to be more of like a fan, so we didn't have to use the roller not 100% of the time, but now we got the roller going and the brush, and we're gonna have to roll every bit of this. So you go behind me, or if you want me to roll, I can do that too if you want to spray, whatever you want to do. But you can't, one person can't let the other person get too far, or else you're gonna be walking in it, you know?
Okay, can we do the top of the railing before you get too far on that bottom part?
Yeah. We got, I don't even know how much done, a little bit of this done, and we're quickly realizing that these little chemical sprayers that we got from the good old Home Depot are worth every bit amount of money there we spent on them. We're just using a brush and a roller right now, and it's turning out to be less splotchy, less work, really. I think we're just gonna keep going like this and paint this thing like we'd paint anything else, and no shortcuts, I guess.
We tried to make one though, you guys, we tried.
Looks really good though. It's all wet right now. I imagine it'll dry and kind of not be as shiny. I like it so far. I don't know if you can see the shimmery in it.
Looking at it from down here, we'll have to come down here and do like the 2x12s because it's like 2 different colors. Hi, George. He's like, let me out.
It's funny because he never wants to go outside.
I know. He gets separation anxiety. He doesn't like to be away from us.
beautiful. We are well past halfway. We're probably 60%, maybe more. And we're over here in the shade now.
So it's chilly.
It's a little bit chilly.
I don't like it.
Right?
Take me inside and feed me cookies.
That sounds like a good idea. We're at the door right now. We're gonna let that sit there for a second and we're gonna go around and do all of this and then come back over to the door. It's going quick, it's looking good. The golden pine, it is definitely golden. It is shiny. It looks good. Yeah, I don't know, I'm excited about it. I can't wait for it to dry and we can walk on it again. We're just gonna chug along and get this thing knocked out.
So we've decided, since we still have to do the railing on the stairs, that we're gonna wait a little bit longer on sealing them. Right, babe?
Yeah, we still gotta do the railing coming up and then here, and then we gotta figure out a railing for right here. If we seal it now, we're gonna have to reseal those parts again anyway. Right now, we're gonna finish that spot and kind of trap ourselves in the house, but we got enough firewood, food, and stuff to do.
I mean, it's just the two of us, so.
Yeah, for sure. Let's get this finished.
Okay. Come on in, Big Daddy.
All right.
Well, wood galore.
We're good for a couple days. Well, we're trapped in here, so we gotta like let everything dry, and we have tons of things that we have to do inside. Like Christmas is coming up, so we got some responsibilities to take care of.
Cleaning, organizing that as well.
We wanted to thank AnkerMake for sponsoring today's video. Click the link in our description. Check them out.
Our teenagers are super excited to play with the AnkerMake 3D printer, so.
Yeah, we told them that we had a 3D printer, and they were like,
oh,
we want to make some stuff. And we're like, cool. So we're going to keep it
So
out.
it does work for the teenagers.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Comment any questions that you guys have about our build or our life or whatever. And we'll see you guys in a few days.
See you in a few days.